My name is Peter Mamich. I found Real Performance online. I was coming here mostly for my back. I had torn a ligament or something in there and needed help. I squatted, 245 the week before, went down to 205 and really messed something up. So I came into Nyla and 3 weeks later I'm pain-free. I'm squatting 265 again and loving life. So I came here for Rossiter and some one-on-one instruction. She's done some movement repatterning as well as the Rossiter, and really both have just made my quality of life better. I don't have any pain when I'm bending over. I don't have pain when I'm playing baseball or golf. It's given me back the 21-year-old feeling at 26 that I was missing. I think that it's a thing that you can do lifelong. It's something that you need to kind of keep on doing. Real Performance is going to give really anybody the chance to live their life a little bit healthier. Whether that means for you at 21 and you tore something and you need to get back to playing football or doing whatever, or you're 92 and you just want to be able to sit down without pain. It can help everybody, and Nyla's the girl for you.